Hello, everybody. This is Kyle Speed One coming from the racetrack. Hey, that gas station kit from Race Track Scenics, I've got her done. Get her done. And right now, I've got temporarily hooked up a 9-volt battery that's making the LED lights in the top of the roof. You'll see it here in a minute. Going. And it's all painted up, ready to go. It's a real easy kit to put together. Here, I'll turn the light on real quick. I'm about to stumble and fall anyway. Yeah, it's a real easy kit to put together. Not much to it. There's the 9-volt battery I've got hooked up to it. We'll go around and look at the other side where the cars are at. Pump it yourself, gas and go. You got a Revo slot Datsun 510 and got a Porsche sitting over there. Always got to have a Porsche hanging around. But yeah, it's made out of MDF. And if you have to, you can always take the roof off. You can always take the roof off and expose the LED strip. There's holes underneath this MDF strip that the LEDs fit into with this strip. And yeah, pretty easy. It's a real easy kit to put together. Didn't have any issues with it. And yeah, you always need a gas station at a racetrack, right? Now, I don't have any room left on the track to put big old gas storage tanks, so we'll just have to think that those tanks have been buried somewhere around on the property, like they mostly are. Okay, so that is the new addition to the track, the Race Track Scenics Gas and Go. Oh, yeah, before I forget, this Gas and Go is, along with it being in several different colors, combinations, is already printed out on cardstock. And all you got to do is cut it out and then glue it onto your roof piece, your overhang. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. I think it looks pretty good. Gives a couple of cars a place to sit at and make a scene. So that's all there is for what is today, Monday. It's tough being retired. Yeah, but that's what I got for you for Monday. God bless you, and y'all take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.